On June 25, 2025, Troop D Communications notified Arkansas State Police that St. Francis County deputies were engaged in an active vehicle pursuit. The suspect was traveling north on State Highway 261 toward Palestine, and then continued east on Interstate 40.
I'm on it. 1037, correcting that.
Head direct.
TBI, he went into the cable bears.
TBI into the cable bears. Before you direct.
He's 1015.
1015.
The pursuit reached a quick end when the trooper executed a pit maneuver, striking the rear left side of the vehicle. The suspect's car spun out and crashed into the cable barrier, bringing the chase to a complete stop. The driver, Jimmy Lee Manasco, was taken into custody without further incident. On April 29, 2025, Corporal Dustin Arnold was patrolling Interstate 30 eastbound near mile marker 95. He saw a black SUV with paper tags that were not properly attached. He attempted a traffic stop near the 96-mile marker, but the driver refused to stop and sped away, beginning a pursuit.
I'll be out checking the strip.
Sure.
I got one. It's 1037. 97 eastbound. It's a black SUV, paper tag.
The suspect drove at high speed, using the shoulder to pass other vehicles. He exited at mile marker 106 and turned onto U.S. Highway 67, continuing to drive recklessly. The pursuit eventually returned to Interstate 30 eastbound at mile marker 114, with the suspect showing no regard for public safety.
Coming up on the 98. Past the 99. Speed's at 125.
I'm trying to stay through.
I'm marking.
Near mile marker 120, Trooper Tree Davis joined the chase. Because his patrol car was a Dodge Charger, Corporal Arnold allowed him to take the lead. Trooper Davis worked to bring the pursuit to an end.
Passing the 102. Passing on the shoulder.
At mile marker 125, Trooper First Class Corbin Freeman positioned his patrol vehicle in front of the suspect, trying to slow him down. The suspect crashed into the rear of Freeman's vehicle, disabling both cars. They left the road and came to a stop. Freeman had minor injuries.
See traffic to the right, we're clear.
That's 124. Crashed into 33. He's all over 1016. 1016. You skip one.
Black male on foot east into the wood line.
The suspect fled on foot, but was quickly caught by Arkansas State troopers, though one trooper injured his hand during the arrest. Inside the SUV, troopers found a red backpack containing a stolen .38 special revolver, reported stolen out of Memphis. The suspect was treated for minor injuries at the hospital before being booked into the Saline County Jail. On February 22, 2025, at about 10:54 a.m., Trooper Bird saw a gold Honda Accord with no insurance and unbuckled occupants. When he tried to stop it, the suspect began fleeing at high speed.
Can I check you
suspect drove recklessly, reaching over 80 miles per hour and cutting off other cars. Trooper Bird started a pursuit. Near exit 8A, Trooper Bird performed a successful pit maneuver, causing the car to crash into a concrete wall. The passenger threw a rifle and backpack over a barrier and ran away, while the driver stayed and was arrested without incident.